tugenda kuudisa na
tuwulire ku munnaffe
twagala tuudise Naduli ono tulabe nange tulabe sali ku luno eggulu libaali mpale bali kumma
tolina yadde woosobola diringiriza
okakasa tulabe kale nakwata chairman.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. How are you today?
Who is you?
My name is Catherine Summer.
Catherine.
My name is Catherine Summer. Yes, and I'm calling from the United States Embassy here in Kampala.
Okay.
Yes, and now am I speaking to Honorable Naduli? I'm sorry, I can't spell the name well. I'm speaking to Honorable Naduli?
Yes.
Okay, I'm very glad to hear from you, sir.
Okay.
I don't know, did you receive our email? Okay, yeah, we sent you an email last week, and we were inviting you for a virtual leadership conference.
My email?
Yes, we sent you an email inviting you for a virtual leadership conference.
So the conference will be where?
It's going to be a virtual conference, and we're going to use Zoom, and we wanted to know if you're going to be available on Sunday.
Sunday tomorrow or next Sunday but one?
Oh, Sunday tomorrow is going to be at 5 p.m. It's going to be a virtual conference.
Which room?
Virtual. Well, we're going to use video calling.
Video calling?
Yes, sir.
What time?
You have a smartphone? Do you have a smartphone or a PC computer?
Tomorrow. I am really so too heavy engaged.
You are engaged? Okay. I am calling
for this road maps.
I am sorry, sir.
So we are so busy arranging the roadmap for appointing and choosing our flag bearers.
Okay. Okay. It is not going to take a long time since it's going to be a video conference. It's going to take just 1 hour. It's going to take just 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, sir.
Starting at what time?
Starting at 5 p.m.
4 p.m.
5 p.m.
Hey.
5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's African time. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We have a lot of other leaders across Africa. We have leaders from Kenya. We have leaders from Tanzania, most of the East African countries, and we have some leaders from South Africa. We have other leaders from Ghana and Nigeria.
Okay.
Yes, so we wanted you to be part of it.
Let us see how we can try and attend.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you about your experience in the leadership work.
Experience.
How much experience you have?
Experience of leadership I have.
Yes, sir.
On what? On the occasion of the Kabakaship.
On leadership. Okay. Can you speak to my assistant? He's Ugandan. He's right here in office with me. Can you speak to Honorable? He's online with me. Can you please speak to him?
Hello. Mr. Naduli.
Wanji.
How are you, sir?
How are you?
This is Mark. Huh? This is Mark. I don't know how to talk Uganda. Maybe ngambo mnyankole. No maye ngambo mnyankole. Olunyankole no basatu gamba.
Ndubagamba kitono.
konka Naduli you are very funny ati we tokubasaga muri nyankore oriyo no siba na Museveni tokubasaga muri nyankore iwe
Museveni yali mugezi mu nsikoto yayogera Runyankole
ariyo akabana agamba ki
akabaza Oluganda
akabana nabaza Oluganda konka Naduli we niwe no bihe bishuma
Luganda very well
ati nyeni nzaga muri nyankore iwe no zaga muri Uganda bokwanye tinku basaga muri Uganda
ekale
ati egi conference noza kugibaho iwe
egenda kubera Ludawa
neza kuba Serena konka nituza kosa video call nituendo gambe ibintu bya politics ibintu bya leadership ningire no bimanyi ibyo Naduli
kakati olubumuna jiko oronze nabanyimiride Ludawa
noza kuba simu yawe iwe tine simu toina simu ene ya smartphone
ya nemeyo
okwata kabiriti
nkatwala kabiriti
kati ate laptop toina na laptop
nagiwa omwana azikolera ko campaign ze naye
kati omwana ogenda mugamba agikuwa obyekolere nno onosobola obyekolera
okujja konga mugambye
ng'omugambye
naye nabeerawo
kati oraba onjogeza n'Oluganda nze Oluganda lwange rubi nnyo
tewali lubi munkyamwe mugwengolokofu
mukyala wo tamanyi Luzungu tosobola mukyala wo nakuyambako ku kompyuta eyo
ahenze wemba sibitegedde naye abatabitegeera
kati Naduli njagala kubuuza kati bano abasajja b'enaare mu lwaki bakujja ku kifo kyo
wange bya bufuzi byabwe bamanyi ebyo byamwe by'abantu ba mu Western eyo
ebyo nno bye tugenda okwogerako wali eri ku video gundi onobyogerako
nti mala kulaba mutwe gufaanana kuba matogwira kigwire
banange aberuwero twarumiddwa nnyo nga Naduli bamujje ku kifo kya Central twabadde twagalo kya kigirewo okiwangwe kati bakutaddewa
gindi nja kusigala nga ndi senior presidential advisor
Naduli omo oli omushiiza w'amaani wa Museveni okwe taata waffe oli ku Beat FM ekintabuli ky'omuziki fe abakutawanya bakwagala nnyo ono bamuyita Katongole Mutongole ne Salima Amakabina wano ku Beat tukutawanya tukugambye ebya video tukwogeza Oluzungu omusajja tona nakunywa kacyayi
tukedde
kutawanya kuudisa buuza ku bannayuganda kwe bali bakuwulira
kale no ku saade ziraba sawa meka Hajji oli ku Beat FM ekintabuli ky'omuziki buuza ku bantu abeeruweero bakuwulira abeeruweero bampulira babuuzeeko kati nonyina okubategeeza kino kiseera kya kalulu kiseera kyetaaga bwenkanya kyetaaga okukkaanya tekyetaaga mu busungu twegereza munno lifuukuule kubanga kano akaseera kajja kuba katunogiveewo ate nga mwe muli
amiina
kale
bannaluweero obubaka ki obubawa
obubaka bwe mbawa babeere bakkakkamu mu kulonda era basengejja abakulembeze bagenda okulonda nga babalinamu omutima n'essuubi erina abayamba okusobola okuba nga tutambuza eggwanga lyaffe okugenda mu maaso
amiina tukwagaliza olunaku olungi ne wiikendi ennungi
masha Allah
kati video yaffe bweneeba eyiseemu tujja kukubira
kale
beera bulungi
siibula omuzungu honorable
omuzungu musiibule muzungu please say bye to Chap.
Mr. Chairman.
Okay, how
are you, sir? Okay, I want to wish you a wonderful weekend.
Stay where till we meet.
Okay, bye.